One of the features of Process Organizer is a customer portal. The customer portal allows your clients to check status of their work, enter new work, and check their invoicing and bill paying, etc. What you do is the client would come to the screen and log in, and this is the customer portal. Once they log in, they have the option to click on a new job. Okay, so we would be at the law firm. ID is there, who the contact is, the plaintiff, the firm number, which is their number, what court's it in, the case number, who the defendants are, the address of the defendants, and who we're serving on this one. If they were serving Bob Smith at a different address and Ray Jones at a different address, they would have to enter it twice. If this is a rush job or skip trace, if it's a bad address, they would highlight that. Here they put in additional notes. From here, they can select where they have their files, if they're going to attach it, and what type of file it is. So what would happen is we would highlight whatever the file is and click open, and that would attach the file. We would name what the file is, and let's say that was the service documents or summons and complaint. And then once we hit save job, it's going to put this job with the attachments into Process Organizer, and it's asking if there's another job that they want to do. And they could go through it like that. Now, jobs pending entry is where they can see, hey, did this job take place yet? And there is pre-job number 13. It's already entered, ready to go. If we go to the job status report, so this is going to show them a report of every job that's been invoiced, how old the bills are, how much money they owe. And then this is a statement, but if they want to see the individual invoices, this then gives them in order each individual invoice. And they could go next, next, and next to the end. If we go back screen, now the next things we have here are the ability to look up an individual case by either the work number, the case number, or the defendant's name. So by the work order number is the work order invoice number. We could type that in. The firm number is their billing number, the case number, or just the defendant's name. How about Smith? Okay, there was one case with the name Smith, and we see this job has not been billed out yet, is waiting to be billed. In this report screen, you have the invoice statement, which gives you the statement of all invoices with the ability to see all the invoices. The invoice by work order and case number gives you the ability to look up the case by either the work order, the case number, the firm number, or the defendant's name. The case return date report is a report where you look up cases by the law firm's return date, and the final invoice aging report is a group report that gives you the ability to look up all work done during a certain time period. And we're going to use a date range of, from last year to this year, and here's the options we have: by date of service, affidavit date, or custom grouping. Date of service is simply by the date of service. The other is by the invoice date. The affidavit date is when the affidavit was scanned in. Custom grouping puts the cases together for this time period by not only the defendants, but by the case number. It gives the client the ability to look at the case as one continuous job. For example, if there's 5 invoices on that case. So for example, this is a custom grouping report. We have, on this case here, there was 4 different jobs. And if we wanted to see what happened on any one of them, we can click on the job number, and this gives the notes. And then if there was a scanned affidavit on this job, it would be right here. It gives you the ability then to go back and check everything. So this gives you, your clients, the ability to not only enter jobs, but to check status and see everything going on with their case.